Pitacote, part of Sri Jayawardhanepura Kote near Combo, offer a perfect blend of urban convenience and peaceful surroundings. Though small in size, it serves a welcoming base for both business and leisure travelers thanks to its proximity to the city center, government buildings, and cultural landmarks. The hotel here ranges from budget-friendly stays to charming boutique properties, ensuring a comfortable experience no matter your style of travel. The first one is Villa Escondite. Nested in a tropical setting, Villa Escondite combined contemporary design with lush greenery and peaceful architecture. Guests appreciate the intimate ambience and serenity that make it feel like a private retreat. The two-story building boasts spacious rooms with tasteful decor offering both comfort and solution. While privacy is its highlight, its tucked away location may require a GPS aware approach. The second one is Angam Villas, Colombo. Angam's Villas offer a boutique experience with beautifully appointed suites that include private pool and modern amenities. The tranquil garden setting complements the airy interior and polished service. As a standout for value, this stay is ideal for both families and small groups seeking space and privacy. The third one is Water Edge Hotel. Located in nearby Betramala South, Water Edge Hotel offers a clean garden view terrace ideal for relaxation. Guests enjoy its clean service-oriented ambience and delicious in-house dining. While the swimming pool is shared and not always easily accessible, the hotel shines with its friendly staff and convenient setup. The fourth one is Hotel Sonera Pitacote. This modest 3-star hotel is a quite practical choice tucked away within the city, offering air-conditioned room, satellite TVs, and free on-site parking. With only 6 rooms, it maintains a personal and home-like feel. It's ideal for solo travelers or anyone seeking a fuss-free stay. The fifth one is Marino Beach. For technically across the river in Colombo, Marina Beach is popular among Pitacote visitors for its direct access to the beach, extensive pool, and relaxed seaside atmosphere. Guests often stay here for scenic views and resort-style amenities while remaining close to Pitacote. The next one is Trillium Boutique City Hotel. Set in Colombo but just a short drive from Pitacote, Trillium Boutique City Hotel offers thoughtfully designed rooms centered on comfort and a modern aesthetic. Visitors find the pricing reasonable and the property well suited for both business and leisure stays. With easy access to nearby conference venues and city attractions, it's a practical and stylish pick for travelers who want to balance convenience and class. The next one is Grand Oriental Hotel, another Colombo property accessible from Pitacote. Grand Oriental boasts colonial charm with classic rooms and period architecture. Its proximity to Colombo Bazaar and Old Town adds to its appeal for cultural oriented travelers. Thought older in style, it appeals to those seeking historical ambience combined with straightforward amenities and good value. The next one is Green Palace Colombo. This budget-friendly hotel near the Velavata railway station is appreciated for its practical positioning and local flavors. Yes, reviews note its modest scale, but its straightforward hospitality and easy transport links make it a smart, economical option. The second last is Hilton Colombo Hotel. A few minutes away by car, the Hilton Colombo offers polished luxury with ocean and Byra Lake view. It features multiple dining outlets, a full-service fitness center, and a refreshing outdoor pool. Third position more centrally in Colombo, its upscale amenities and proximity make it a favored choice for travelers wanting a high-end experience near Pitacote. The last one is City Hotel Colombo 02, a modern, comfortable option just outside Pitacote City Hotel Colombo 02 provides clean rooms, free parking, and a friendly team known for seniority and prompt service. Guests often praise the honest and helpful staff, which adds to its appeal for families and solo travelers alike. It's a well regarded budget peak with easy access to city highlights. While Pitakota itself doesn't have a large hotel cluster, its location offers excellent access to a curated mix of stays, whether you prefer boutique, tranquility, value conscious simplicity, or upscale luxury just across the river. From design forward villas to classic hotels and practical lodging, each of these 10 options ensure you will find comfort and convenience right at your doorstep.